I got the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and I will do a little unboxing with you guys. So let's see. The packing is already significantly different than what we know from Samsung or Google, for example, which is my recent phone, Pixel 7 Pro. See, the box is a lot bigger, so let's see what's inside. So Huawei always used to be among the best phone manufacturers in the Android market. Especially the cameras were always of superb quality. So let's check one time. The phone is here. Looks beautiful. It comes pre-installed with a screen protector. And here we got the camera system. And let's see why the box is so bulky compared to other manufacturers. What else is in here? A guide on how to get your apps. Since we can't use a Play Store, we have to use some other ways. Instead of Google search, we can use Petal search. We can clone our phone, and we can use the Huawei app gallery. Here's the SIM ejector tool. And we got a silicone case. I am one of those guys who really loves to put the phone in a case and put a protector on it, because I can be clumsy at times, and those phones are not cheap. And another big thing which we get here, which is not common anymore nowadays, a charging brick. 66 watt super charge. So, and of course a USB-C cable. That phone costs 1200 euros. Quick comparison to the Pixel 7 Pro. Both are beautiful from the outside. I will make some comparison shots these days. Then we'll see how good the camera system is on the Mate 50 Pro compared to the Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 Pro has outstanding photo quality. The video quality also has improved, but it is not as good as I hoped. But I think it's still among the best on the Android side. If you want to see a camera comparison between the Mate 50 Pro and Pixel 7 Pro, leave a comment and a like and a sub would be great. Thanks for watching, and see you in another one.